ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ súnmọ́ bí ẹ wá gbọ́ tuntun mo tún mú mi dé ọ̀rọ̀ Kanu náà mà mú jáde sìn lọ́ọ̀yà Kanu ló pariwo síta ó ní tí Kanu ò bá lọ ṣe operation etí pé etí rẹ̀ kan ò gbọ́ràn mọ́ o wípé ó ti wà block pé etí rẹ̀ kan ti ń di wípé tí wọ́n bá dẹ̀ lọ ṣe operation sí etí yẹn pé láti last year ló yẹ kán ti lọ ṣe wípé tí wọ́n bá ti lè lọ ṣe operation yẹn ó pé ó ṣeéṣe kó má gbọ́ràn mọ́ kó di deaf pàpàpàtà kó di deaf pàpàpàtà kó di adití pàpàpàtà tí Kanu ò ní gbọ́ nǹkan kan mọ́ láyé ẹ̀ wípé wọ́n dẹ̀ need láti lọ sí sọ́jú yẹn èmi ò bá rọ̀ ìjọba Nàìjíríà ìyẹn ìjọba tó wà ń bẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ìṣètìs tó jẹ́ wípé o ti dúró ní dúró wípé o máa ṣe tó dáa o ti gbà wípé o fẹ́ tún lù ṣe o bá rìlíìsì àwọn tó wà nínú àhámọ́ kó ní kálukú wọn máa lọ tìlú ò bá dáa náà ló ń jẹ́ kí gbogbo èèyàn pariwo bí wọn náà ṣe sọ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ kan tó ní pé let the poor people breathe ìwọ náà ló sọ let the poor people breathe àbí bó ló ṣe pé ẹ jẹ́ káwọn tálíkà rí mú mi bìlẹ̀ntàsí àlékà Nnamdi Kanu àṣẹ tálíkà ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tí ìyà bá ń jẹ aráàlú náà ló ń jẹ́ káyà máa pariwo kó jẹ́ kí gbogbo yẹn máa kígbe èmi ò bá ní pé kẹ́ ẹ sí wọn lẹ́ẹ̀jẹ́ ló gbà tọ́jú báwo lèèyàn ṣe máa wà nínú àhámọ́ látijọ́ yìí kálẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ fi òun náà sínú ilé fún house arrest tó wà ń bẹ̀ tán gba béèlì ẹ̀ tó wà nínú ilé tẹ̀ mọ́nítọ̀ ẹ̀ l'Àbújá àásì ìyẹn ọ̀tọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n yẹn wà nínú prison látijọ́ ẹ̀ ṣèdájọ́ dájú ẹ̀ pé bóyá kan sọ sẹ́wọ̀n gbére àbẹ́wọ̀n yọ ọdún báyìí ni ó lò dẹ̀ fi sínú prison nínú custody DSS for the past 3 years now 2003 láti 2001 June 2023 làwà yìí June ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹta là ń lò lọ yìí June kẹta la tún ti bọ́ sínú ẹ̀ tá à ń lò lọ yìí kí ló dé ẹ sì má níyì lẹ́ẹ̀kọ́ máa lọ ẹ̀yin náà bá mi gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí lọ́ọ̀yà rẹ wí ẹ jẹ́ àjọgbọ́n tí lọ́ọ̀yà wí torí kò yé mi mọ́ ṣódìgbà táwọn èèyàn bá wá kú látó fẹ́ sọ pé a fẹ́ sí wọn lẹ̀ ẹ sí àwọn èèyàn ìlànà pẹ́tẹ́ ti ní determination pé máa tún lù ṣe sẹ́yìn ò ní gbàgbọ́ pé fẹ́ ṣèlú ni ṣé o gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe camouflage ni ẹ sí wọn sílẹ̀ náà tàbí kéde kan gba béèlì ẹ ti gba béèlì tiẹ̀ náà náà ẹ ń fáwọn míì ní béèlì náà ẹ ń fáwọn kan ní béèlì pé kán lọ dúró sínú ilé ẹ fóun náà ní béèlì tiẹ̀ moreover Ọmọyẹlé Sowore ẹ ti padà gba béèlì tiẹ̀ náà ẹ jẹ́ kó náà lè jáde kúrò so náà lè gba béèlì tiẹ̀ ẹ má gbàgbé pé àwọn tó jẹ́ ògbóǹtarìgì ọ̀daràn kánbélé tí wọ́n jẹ́ adigunjalè wọ́n ń gba béèlì wọn o ká máa láwọn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ń sadigunjalè wọ́n ń sáyà àṣàsìn o orílẹ̀-èdè náà ń jà fún o òmìnira làwọn náà ń jà fúngbà tí ìlú ò bá tẹ̀ wọ́n lọ́rùn tí ìlú ò bá dá ṣé wọn ò ní ké gbàjarè ni.
Has a need for ear surgery. How do you come about this?
Yes, I was with my client, the applicant in these proceedings, Nnamdi Kanu, on the 3rd of June this year. I led my friend here, my learned friend, to see Nnamdi Kanu on the 3rd of June 2023 at the DSS facility. At that meeting, I told the Director of Legal Services, after we had brainstormed for more than 1 hour as to how and why such a short surgery will be done. And the meeting was actually instigated by my letter to the DSS that Nnamdi Kanu should be allowed to have this ear surgery based on your own medical report. The SSS itself, their doctor, their in-house doctor, checked his ear in November 2022 and found that it was having some blockage that there was a need to operate on this ear before he gets deaf. I therefore wrote to the SSS to let us meet. And they approved our meeting. And we met with the Director of Legal Services of SSS, the two in-house medical doctors, a male and female, were there, and some other top officials of SSS were there. And I led my learned friend, Ifeanyi Ejiofor, to that meeting. And I then demanded that Nnamdi Kanu should be present at the meeting, because we are only lawyers and we do not know anything about medicine or surgery. And they fetched Nnamdi Kanu, and we all sat down and brainstormed and agreed that there was no way they could have carried out that surgery on Kanu without his own personally appointed medical doctor, a doctor of his own choice, as earlier directed on the 21st of October 2021 by the Honorable Justice Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court, that he be allowed to have his personal doctor so that there could be a second opinion on his deteriorating state of health, wherein they are increasing his potassium level every day. They are using him as a guinea pig for trial because they do not know the cause of his illness. And all the tests they have done, blood tests, urine tests, stool tests, which they have always done, they have sent to South Africa and some other countries. Nnamdi Kanu to date has never been availed of what the results were, nor have we, his counsel. So at that meeting, therefore, I impressed it upon them that there was no way they could carry out a surgery on Nnamdi Kanu's ear without his personal physician being present. That we will not even allow it. And that was what we agreed on. The meeting was that when Nnamdi Kanu finally appoints any one or two doctors of his choice, they should get across to us. We will now again write to the SSS for an interactive session between these doctors and Nnamdi Kanu, because his earlier doctor, Dr. Sylphine Okorochukwu, who had been treating him even before his extraordinary, torturous and forceful rendition from Kenya back to Nigeria on the 27th of June 2021, who had gone to the DSS facilities 2 times and had been denied access to see Nnamdi Kanu, himself was not in the country. Because of that, it means that whichever doctors that will be seeing Nnamdi Kanu will be seeing him for the first time, and Nnamdi Kanu will be seeing them for the first time. So there must first be that interactive session so that they can have a synergy to know whether these are doctors that he can go with or whether he will need another set. Surprisingly, suddenly, like Fela will put it, we saw flying in the social media some characters saying that the family of Nnamdi Kanu has allegedly debriefed me and Ifeanyi Ejiofor. There are certain pieces of news I don't take serious. I didn't just laugh. I guffawed. It was a loud laughter that these guys do not know what they are talking about. You cannot sit in Germany. You do not know what is going on with your brother's case or his life. And you say that Nnamdi Kanu has been trying since 11th of May to get across to me, and I've been refusing to see him. Whereas I was with Nnamdi Kanu on the 3rd of June. And the very day you were releasing this text, this social media damnable and defamatory statement, Ifeanyi Ejiofor was physically with Nnamdi Kanu. You release this, your social media something, at 1:57 p.m., 3 minutes before the 2 p.m. when Ejiofor was supposed to meet with Nnamdi Kanu. And he met him. And Nnamdi Kanu sent his personal greetings, happiness,